Almighty.
Almighty.
So you can't see the full extent, but this is the line for immigration to get off the ship in Korea. And it actually goes all the way around here, comes back along here, goes all the way back around there, comes back along here, goes all the way into the dining room up there. So I would say there's 400 or 500 people in line, and more to come. I don't know if this is Princess's fault or Korea's fault, but they need to make this a little simpler. Getting off the ship in beautiful Incheon, Korea. Super cloudy, gray. Stood in line for half an hour to go through immigration. And they are waiting for us down there. So we're on the dock here, pier, wharf, whatever, in Incheon. Of course, the city of Incheon's way over there in the distance. People are pouring off the ship. Everyone's waiting for a shuttle bus. And I think it's going to be an hour. They seem to be very disorganized here. Seem to be. It's one port monkey's opinion. So it's been an hour and a half since we got in the immigration line. We've been standing out here for half an hour or so. Jan says 50 minutes, 5-0. Buses come and go, but it's really disorganized. We're on the bus. It's about an hour and 45 minutes, maybe a little less. I don't know how long the trip is, but as the buses started showing when we were getting on, all the lines started breaking for the buses. So it's chaos out there now, I think. Anyway, like caged animals set free. So our cabin's right up there. We're leaving the harbor. That's Incheon out in the distance. I think we're headed more that way though. I think they park up on the sidewalk there in front of that building. There's our ramp right there. So we're in downtown Incheon, I guess. Like LA, sort of, except everything's written in another language, although parts of LA, right? Koreatown. Used appliances, lots of fruits and vegetables for sale out there. Oh, I saw a 7-Eleven. Look up that alley. Yeah, see it? And this looks like a subway station, or maybe it's the underground shopping mall. Look at that building. Pizza Hut. So we're going down to the Sinpo Underground Shopping Center, mainly because it's starting to rain upstairs. Because I imagine this would be a bunch of mall stuff again, which we're sick of. Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
We came down those stairs. Oh, look at it, it's beautiful. Just beautiful. We need a currency exchange though before we buy anything.
Yeah, we do.
That's what we should have asked her for. There must be, well, there must be one down here, right? Oh, this place is big. It's like a mile long. And I'm not exaggerating. And somebody's got a puppy here. Puppy. This is the underground shopping center. Street, buildings above us. It's like a subway station, but with no trains. There's a map on the floor, and we're here. So, when you see prices, ooh, fidget spinners. 1,000 of won, that's their money. 1,000 is $1. Look at these Disney purses. Aren't these like imitation Dooney-Burks? They say Disney and Mickey on them. So that's $60. There's a little one. Oh, these are Disney also? Yeah. Oh gosh, I couldn't live on that. Shorts? Yeah. Phones? Yeah. So, like I say, it just goes on and on down there. Here's the nail salon. Check them out. Oh yeah. Here's the bra store. So that's $6. So see, you can get these for like $6. But I don't know about these sizes. Yeah. But it really is a bunch of clothes. We're coming up the stairs now, out of the Shinpo market, out of the underground market into what's supposed to be Shinpo market. And I guess this is it right here. Right. We got some fish though. Flounder. And shops along the street. And across the street. And up the street. Maybe inside. That's fried chicken with hot sauce or something. And there's your beans, for those who like beans. And here's your zucchini.
Fish cake.
Fish cakes. Oh, look at that. Go ahead. Those look like shrimp. Watching. More fried chicken. Question is how much is that? How much do I get, right? I don't think it's been deboned either. This looks like a kid in a candy store. If candy is beans. Wait a minute. That's candy. Strange Korean candy. Puffed rice? Puffed wheat? I don't know. Guess this is a bakery. Shoe store. Restaurant. Vegetables. Whatever this is. Well, we found the currency exchange, and it's got 15-20 people in line. So I have some of this. That's right, that's 5,000 Japanese yen. And a couple grand in between. So that should be good for about 70,000 wons. Look at that. It is the future of Korea. Oh, we got up near the front of the currency exchange line and they ran out of money. So now we're trying to find a bank. So they said Citibank is up here, but I don't know. We're trying to find it. To see this, because I think they were fish at one time. And he puts them in there and, you know, makes paninis out of them.
치킨, 삼계탕.
Ribs.
여기.
It's Groucho Cat. Spam!
Your favorite.
Spam? Spam, 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 spam. 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 It's classic. Mackerel. Hard mackerel. Eggs. And lots of stuff. Look at this thing to sweep the flies off. So they can say their fish has no flies. Neither does their cuttlefish or their conch. They're in all different sizes. So the Sinpo market was up there and around to the left. Now this is kind of the way to Chinatown. I don't know that we're going to go, but Chinatown's up that way about a mile. I see a map over here. We're in an area of, well, the Nike store, but a lot of restaurants. 7-Eleven. You want to try in there? And digital advertising all over.